All right, so we're still dealing with the laws of indices. So if you did not watch the previous video on the laws of indices where I did the multiplication, where I did the division, zero exponent, try to search and watch that video. It's very important. Okay, so this is a negative exponents. So negative power. If you have got a negative power, what are you supposed to do? All right, so for the negative power, like it is here, we have m power negative 3. We have to change this to a positive power. So how do we do that? We just apply a 1, okay, over the same m, and the power this time around, you write it as positive. So this is the other way. So if you don't want to write it like this, you write it like this. Or I will say, if you have a negative power, try to put it or to change it to a positive power, and it will look like this. For this one, almost the same procedure, or let me just say the same procedure. You change this to a positive power. So meaning you shall have m, it will go on top, and the power will be positive like that. Okay, and this is what we have. So here, the power, the negative power was right here. So we have to take it below, you let it become a denominator, and you change the sign to negative, to positive. It was negative. For this one, also take it up, okay? Don't do anything to the constant, just the variable. Take it up and change the sign of the power, okay? Let's try to simplify here and see if we have understood what is happening. So the first thing here will be to rearrange. Anything that is on top with the negative power should go below, and anything that is right here below should go on top, for as long as the power is negative. So we have x power negative 2. So this one needs to move. Here, y will maintain power 3 because the power is positive. Here, it will move. This y will move. So we check now below here. Do we have anything with power negative, with the negative power? We have got this m, which has got negative 1, power negative 1. So it will go on top. So it will be positive 1, power positive 1. You see the negative here for this m. It has changed to positive. We say over. Now x will go down. The power will change to positive. M the same, y the same, and x there will maintain. So let me just put it in front here, this x. Okay, so now we are good to go. So here we shall work out what is here. So we have y power 3m over x power 3. Remember the laws of indices when you're multiplying. So here it's multiplication, x times x power 2. So the powers you add, there is 1 here, 1 plus 2, it will give us power 3. So we have something like this, like that, okay? So now here, it's a matter of now applying the division law. So this and this will cancel. Here it's 1, here we have y, okay? It shall just be y. Because 3, there is a power here, which is a 3. 3 minus 2, it's power 1. So it shall remain with y power 1. For m, this m1, m into m power 6 is m power 5. This is m power 5. So it will look like this. X there, x power 3, or y over x power 3, m power 5. So this is the solution. Okay, we now come to this one. We've got the fraction exponents. So for fraction exponents, just check if you have power 1 over 2, meaning it's a square root over m. So this fraction means square root of m. This and this are the same. For this other one, when it's power 1 over 3, the denominator here for the power means a cube root. This one means square root. So we're dealing with a cube root. So this is a cube root of m. So for square root, we don't write a 2 here. We just leave it like that. Okay. So now let's try to simplify this. So here, this is m power 2 over 3 plus 4 power 1 over 2. So this one, it's a cube root. Remember, or let me do this. We separate here so that you understand. So it will be m power 1 over 3 and the 2 here, this power 2, the 2 which is up here should be outside the brackets. We have 4 power 1 over 2. Okay. So remember what we did here. We said this 1 over 3 is a cube root. So this one will just be cube root of m, and then there power 2 plus here, remember we said it's a square root. A 2 fraction 1 over 2 is a square root. So here it will be cube root of m power 2, you leave it like that, and then the square root of 4 is a 2. The number that multiplied by itself, and it gives us a 4. And this number is a 2. Let's also try to simplify this other one right here. Okay. So for this one here, for this one we have 8. We have 8 power 2 over 3 plus m power 1 over 2. So we separate also, we have 1 over 2 and the 2 will come this side plus here m power 1 over 2. So that's what we have. We work out things here. This means, actually here it's a 3. This means a cube root. So cube root of 8 and the power 2 there outside. This one means the square root over m. And when we work out, we're getting a 2. Because cube root over 8 is a 2 and the power 2 there plus m, square root of m. And finally, the answer will look like this. Okay, so this is our answer right here. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not done so, and if you have subscribed already, thank you so much for your support. And to anybody that so wish to do online tuitions with us, here is a number that you can WhatsApp, and we'll be able to advise on how you can join our online classes. Mostly those will be writing their GCE in 2023. We've started the classes. We started yesterday. Bye-bye.